Hey everybody, I just wanted to introduce you to a software tool that I personally find quite useful when I'm trying to collaborate with other members of a team. This software is known as Trello. You can actually find a link to this in the Mohawk Library page. So you can sign up for Trello. It's a free program to use, although of course there are some limitations in what you can do as a free user. And the main thing to do is to set up a team. Once you set up a team within Trello, the next thing that you can do is you can add a board to your team. Now, these boards are really interesting. They're good ways for you to keep track of all of the different tasks that you need to complete in order to finish whatever project it is that you're working on. Within Trello, there's a whole host of different templates that you can use. Some are focused on business, some on design, education, etc. I'm just going to look at a few that I have already set up on different ways for running projects. So look at one right here. This is just a basic project template. So this is one that I set up where I just have 3 categories of things: to do, doing, and done. So one of the things that you can do is when working with your team, you can invite different members to your team and collectively decide what are the tasks that we need to perform in order to complete a project. When one of these tasks is done, you can then move the card over and say that's something that we're doing right now. Now it's something that we're done. Gives you a little celebration for completing it. This is a good way to make sure that everyone's on the same page. Everyone knows who is responsible for what. You can go into each one of these cards and you can change who's supposed to be assigned to it. You can change the labels for it. There's lots of different stuff that you can do in order to modify these things. Just show what adding a new card looks like. Develop a project question. Okay, there you go. Very straightforward program, extremely flexible. You can establish different columns. So right here, we could have something like things we're considering. If you're brainstorming something but you're not sure if you would like to do it. So we could also have here something like tasks we cannot complete for whatever reason. This would be a good way to use Trello, and it's something that you can really adapt to whatever your needs are. This is by no means something that you need to use, but it can be quite helpful, and I encourage you to check it out.